Hello and welcome back my friends, this is LiquidOcelot and today I'm going to show you how to compare two data, search data, YouTube search data, YouTube search volume data for two separate keywords on Google Trends. So first of all, I'm going to go for my favorite keyword, how to, and just paste this keyword. Make sure to click on search term. Now once this search term is out my friends, they are showing me the data for the past 12 months. So I'll choose past 30 days. I'll choose YouTube search and this is all the data my friends, all the data. Now I will choose another famous keyword, DIY, and there is a box over here my friends, so I'll click it and put DIY. Make sure to hit that DIY button my friends, and as we can see, like expected, the search term for how to is dominating DIY by a long shot, and they have given the related queries as well, and the region is United States of America. So guys, this is how you compare two different keywords, search data, search volume data for two different keywords, and you can add even more. My friends. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. This can be very useful for you for tapping into YouTube trends or Google Trends for your website. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off.